Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. And today I'm going to talk about our mop system. The mop system comes in two colors. It comes in a blue. It also comes in a rose color, which is a pink colored mop. And when you receive your mop, it will come with a telescopic handle, a dry mop head, a wet mop head, and a mop base. And the mop base comes in two sizes. I have both. This is the mini, and the superior is a little bit larger than this. But I don't have the superior right now because a customer of mine had a problem, and I had a solution to fix the problem. So I'll tell you what I did to fix it. But first, when you receive your mop, there's two holes in this telescopic handle. And on your base, there's two green buttons. Press them in. Hear the click and it locks into place. And here you can lock it with this tab here. It won't move, but if you unlock it like this, it'll swivel left and right. So that allows it to swivel, and if you place it back up, it prevents your mop from swiveling. And what you do, you place your dry mop pad onto the mop, set it on the floor, twist the mop handle until it's a certain height, about up to your nose, and then tighten it. But don't over tighten it because it could get stuck. And then you go over your floors in a figure 8 motion. And then once you're done, before you put it away, get your rubber brush and go over your mop head to get the debris out of it. And the thing I like about this, that it complements the rubber, complements your mop pad, and it also is able to brush your pets to get dirt or grime out of couches or baby high chairs. It can also use to remove dirt and grime out of windowsills. And that's another thing that I like about the rubber brush. But once you remove this off of here, the dry mop pad, you get the wet one wet, wring it out, place onto your mop base, and then do your floors. And then once you're done, remove this, because if you do not, the glue from this will come off because of the moisture. So you don't want to have this on wet. Always remove it. Rinse this under hot water and let it air dry for 24 hours. And the problem that my customer had was, one, she was shocked that I let her borrow my superior mop head because she thought I needed it. But hey, I'm a Norwex consultant. I have access to everything. Just throwing that out at you. But anyway, one of her mop bases, it would no longer lock. So it would always just swivel, and she didn't like that. And so what she did, she just replaced the whole mop base, which she was happy with. So she'll be receiving that within the next week or two. And then another problem is she could not release her mop handle. And if you over tighten them, they're hard to disengage. But what you do is grab yourself a screwdriver, stick it into the holes right here, set it onto the floor, and put your feet on both sides and twist to release. So that's how you get your mop handle to work properly. So I just want to say thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye. Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. Today I'm going to talk about the mop system. It's this Norwex Mop. This is the mini mop. It's a smaller head than the superior mop. And the reason I can't show you the superior mop, the size of that, is because one of my customers had a problem, and I